What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Kwame Forex. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to calculate pips on NASDAQ or US100. Okay, so if you are new here on my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video like this, you will get notified. Okay, don't forget to like and then share this video as well. Okay, so without wasting much of your precious time, guys, let's dive into the video and then let me show you how you can calculate pips on NASDAQ or US100. Okay, it is very easy. You don't need to do mathematics calculation over here. Okay, I'm just going to show you a tool in a trading view that you can use it to calculate pips easily. Okay, so as you can see right here, this US100 USD, can also call it NASDAQ. Okay, so let's click on it. So guys, after clicking on it, you can see this is the tool that I'm talking about. Okay, for you to see this tool for the first time launching your trading view, you need to click on this tool right here. Okay, this tool, and then after clicking on it like this, it will pop up and then show you a lot of things right here. Okay, all you need to do is to scroll to down. Okay, just scroll to down and then you can see prediction and measurement. Okay, prediction and measurement right here. As you can see, long position and then short position. I've already added them in favorite. Okay, so let's go to the chart again, and as you can see them right here, this is the long position. Okay, and then this also the short position right here. Okay, so this is the tool that you're going to use to calculate pips. This tool is going to help us to calculate pips easy way. Okay, so let's dive into it. So this is the long position right now. We are going to use long position for the purpose of this video. Okay, so we want to buy from, let's assume that we want to buy from this price. Okay, this price level, we want to buy NASDAQ from this price level. Okay, so this is my stop loss zone and then this is my take profit zone. Okay guys, so all you need to do is just click on it and then hold this button right here. Just hold it like this and then drag and then hold them. You can decrease and then you can increase it. Okay, so this is my stop loss zone. Let's say I want to place my stop loss right here. Okay, so as you can see, when we come to this place, you can see stop. Okay, you can see stop and then you have 37.0. okay, so this means this 37.0 means 37 pips stop loss. Okay, and then this also take profit. Let's assume that we are targeting this place or this price as our take profit. Okay, so this also target, as you can see it right here, this also target, and then we have target as 136.9. okay, that's also 136 pips. Okay, that's 136 pips. So this is how you can easily calculate pips on NASDAQ or US100. Just like that. Is very easy. You don't have to go and do maths calculation right here. Okay, as I said earlier, this is how you can easily calculate pips on NASDAQ. Okay guys, so the same thing applies to the sell position. Okay, let's say you want to take sell position on NASDAQ right now. Okay, at this current price. Okay, so all you need to do is to pick this sell position tool right here and then you put it right at the current position. Okay, where you want to execute the trade. Okay, so you put it there and then let's say you are putting your stop loss right here. Okay, putting your stop loss right here. All right guys, you're putting the stop loss, sorry. Okay, you're putting the stop loss right here. The trade, this way we are executing the trade, and then this is our stop loss. Okay, this is our stop loss. So when you click on it, you can see stop right here, which is 24.0, which is 24 pips, guys. And then the same thing as the take profit, as you can see, the target okay, the target right here, which is 90.8, okay, which is 90 pips take profit. Okay, so this is very easy and simple way to calculate pips on NASDAQ. Okay, don't go and do any math calculation right here. Just pick these two, increase it. When you increase it, you can see that the number is also increasing. So just use it to calculate your pips on NASDAQ. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video very helpful, please kindly smash on that subscribe button and then like this video while watching. Peace.